we're going to make some Thai crab soup. Okay, so for this you need some really good chicken stock. I'm going to put a couple of these in because I want it quite strong, and then I'm going to put a litre of water, and then I'm going to put that on the stove, and I want to reduce it by about half, so it needs to be rapid boiling. That's okay, that's good. Pour the water in. So these are the ingredients for the soup. We have the crab meat. What we're going to do with this one is we're going to microwave the crab meat into little bowls, and then we're going to pour the hot liquid on top afterwards. I'll show you that later. These are the ingredients for the soup. So we've got some hot chili green peppers, we've got some hot chili red peppers, I've got half a lemon juice and the zest of the lemon juice, got some spring onions, some fresh coriander, just rough chopped, and some fresh ginger, again quite well chopped but not tiny. Lemongrass paste. You can use lemongrass, but it tends to be a bit hard, so if you use the paste it's better. I've got some Cajun pepper, I've got some Thai red pepper. So we're just going to put all the ingredients in. We've reduced our stock by half, and we're just going to put them all in. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a stir, and then we're going to put this back on the stove for about 10 minutes, just so it infuses all the flavours. Okay, this is just finishing off the Thai crab soup. So we've boiled it for 10 minutes, and we're just, what we've done with the crab meat is divided it into the dishes. I've microwaved it for about a minute and a half, and I'm just going to pour the soup on top of it. There we go. So 4 nice bowls of soup, coriander, just to garnish. We have a very nice warming Thai crab soup. Enjoy.